That's going to wrap up my stance on immigration. Basically, merit-based, that type of thing. So I will see you. Hey, who took the part out about deporting my mom? Today we're going to talk about immigration and the effect it has on our state and the plan moving forward. This is an extremely serious topic, as lots of Americans have now deeply enrooted into our society. Many have made families here and been here for generations. However, they have been done no justice by not having the proper maybe forced or maybe opportunity to get the pathway they need for citizenship. And because of that, they have built their lives on a foundation of sand. This is extremely sad, and it's going to be difficult for us to unwind. However, it can be done, and I do have a plan moving forward. For one, we will have to deport all people here legally. This just has to be done. We can take cases by a case-by-case basis on the merits of people, and we can possibly offer streamlined pathways for merit-based people. However, if you were here legally, and depending on how long, if you were here legally and did nothing about it, that will be seen as punitive. You should not be rewarded for breaking the law and for continuously violating the law and taking advantage. Therefore, if you are here illegally, I suggest that you do everything you can in your power to try and gain citizenship, because it's not a joke. If you do not have citizenship now and you are here legally, you will be deported under my administration, and it will be seen as punitive if you were here legally and made no efforts to become legal. The people that are going to be accepted as legal immigrants will go through the proper process. They will go through border security. Border security will be allowed access to all of our cities. I will abolish the sanctuary cities, which are a big and complete scam, in order to steal tax dollars from the feds. But this is not about sanctuary cities. The next video, or one of the videos in the series here on the issues, will be about sanctuary cities, but not this one. This one's going to focus on immigration and the illegals that are in society. Undocumented, illegal, whatever you'd like to call them. The point is they can't be here undocumented, because for their own safety, more than just our safety for knowing who's here and in our country, but they at that time can be used for nefarious purposes, whether it be gangs, human harvesting, sex trade, whatever. Without the ability to know they're here or know what they're doing or working or why they're here, it gives bad actors the ability to take advantage of these people and hurt them. So we need to curb it. We need the people's help to curb it. We can't just have people allowing immigration or unlawful documents in their backyard and not doing anything about it either. It has to be called out, because if it's not, then those people will build foundations on build their lives on a foundation of sand, like I said, and at any moment they could be deported. If not by my administration, any administration or any corporation that decides they want to have leverage over that individual can deport them at any time. That's the way it is now. There's a lot of laws set up that way, and they need to be addressed. It's very unfortunate. I'll get into the marijuana laws too and explain how they are set up that way. But the federal and state clashing has to stop, and immigration is going to be a simple area to take care of things moving forward. Most of the immigration issues are going to be addressing the damage that's already been done in the past, and eliminating the amount of undocumented people that are here. Simply being put, either they're going to go back to their countries or they're going to become documented, and the routes they're going to become documented through will be the routes that are already on the books. So be ready for that. There's not going to be a lot of leniency for unlawfuls, illegal aliens in my administration. But I do understand we're all dreamers, and I do understand that they're here because they're trying to seek a better life in lots of situations. However, part of that better life is becoming part of the United States, and to fully enjoy the benefits of the United States and to be a member of society, it requires that you go through the proper steps and truly become a citizen and obtain your legal status. So if you are undocumented and you're listening to this, I don't hate you. I'm not out to get you. I am out to help you, and I want you to get your documentation. So get ahead of the curve, and before it's forced upon you, take it into your hands and attempt to do it now. Because make no mistake, we are going to win this election, and it is going to go into force. Donald Trump said he's going to be a dictator for one day. He's going to come in, he's going to do some massive deportation. I believe that to be true. Do not be a victim of that by making yourself a victim. Get ahead of the curve. Go out, do what you have to do to get on that list, get your visas, get yourself in order, make sure you're documented. If you're not, no promises. Joe Biden's let you down and done you a huge disservice. The American people know that. That's why I'm running, is to correct the things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on this topic of immigration. I don't have much more to add to it because to me it's pretty well cut and dry. If you're here legally, you're committing criminal acts, we're not going to give you any kind of relief for that. In fact, we're going to see it as punitive. So I hope that's it on this issue. If you have any questions about it at all, please feel free to leave messages below. Thank you. Thank you for watching the videos today. Please like and subscribe if you'd like more content.
I'll let you try my